Hello, my name is Osen Ramong Anna William, and today I will tell the machinery used in agriculture for our company. Agricultural machinery plays a vital role in increasing productivity. Uh, our machinery also reduce labor, boost efficiency, and increase output. We also sell the machinery that use from soil preparation to harvesting, and also enhance every stage of it. Type of machinery that we sell are tractors, plough and tillers, seeders and planters, irrigation machinery, and harvesters, and lastly also sprayers. Benefit of using machinery increase crop productivity and efficiency. It also reduces dependency on manual labor. It also ensures timely farming operation, improve precision and reduce waste, and also enhance overall farming profitability. For our future planning for our machinery, we want to upgrade it to automation and robotics in crop management. We also plan to upgrade it to smart machinery with AI and IoT integration, and also with environmentally friendly electric and hybrid equipment. Uh, we also want to increase the use of drone for monitoring and spraying.
Hello, my name is Eldris Megang Anna Andrew, and today I will talk about introduction of our company, which is called Kick Machinery and Truck Sendirian Berhad. Okay, Kick Machinery and Truck Sendirian Berhad is a trusted service provider specializing in agricultural logistic and machinery solutions, established with a commitment to supporting the agricultural sector. Our company primarily serves all palm estates by offering reliable truck services to transport fresh fruit bunches (FFB) to the mill, especially during peak harvesting seasons when logistics demand is high. Understanding the challenges faced by plantation operators, we ensure timely and efficient delivery services that help our clients maintain smooth operation and minimize fruit spoilage. In addition to transportation, Kick Machinery and Trucks in Berhad also offers comprehensive machinery repair services, supported by a team of skilled technicians with extensive experience in agricultural and heavy machinery maintenance. Our mission is to be a dependable partner for plantation owners and agricultural businesses, providing professional, efficient, and high quality services that enhance productivity and reliability in the field.
The truck service a commercial operation that facilitates freight transport and specialized rail work, playing a critical role in the global supply chain, impacting everyday life and infrastructure. For the freight service, understanding that for freight hauling such as the full track load, the freight road shipping is the ideal for large shipment, providing direct route that ensure the delivery for the single goods. The less than truckload (LTL) less than truckload combines multiple smaller shipments from different customers, offering a cost-effective solution but involving more stock along the routes. The specialized freight is include river truck for temperature sensitive goods and flatbed trucks for all size material, ensuring safe transport of variety of essential products. For the utility space, bucket trucks is pivotal for repairing power lines and they provide crew with access to limited areas, maintenance, and reverse operation. Dump truck is the crucial tool in transporting bulk material such as dirt and gravel to ensuring construction site as well supply and ready for project execution. Service truck is open as mobile repair shop. Service truck offer on-site maintenance for heavy machinery during operation device